Do it yourself. How to clear your sinuses in seconds using nothing but your fingers. We all know that blocked sinuses is a common health problem, and this health problem can affect people of all ages. Nobody is immune to this health problem. First, you should know that there are many contributors to this health problem, such as allergies, colds, and even changes in the weather. The bad thing is that most people always choose drugs and medications as a number one treatment to treat this health problem. But they are most definitely wrong, because there are many different all-natural methods which can help you relieve the pressure caused by blocked sinuses. These all-natural methods are based on physics rather than chemistry, and they are even more effective in relieving a stuffy nose, a stuffy head, and stuffy ears than the conventional drugs and medications. In this article we are going to show you the top 3 all-natural methods to clear your sinuses. 1. Use your tongue and press between eyebrows. Note, first, you should know that the whole idea about this method is based on reducing and eliminating the extra mucus, which is the main cause for blocked sinuses. You can do that with this acupressure technique. You can apply pressure on specific points on your body to stimulate the flow of fluid and clear your nose of mucus. This will help you breathe more easily. Here's what you need to do. The acupressure method for relieving blocked sinuses includes pushing the tongue flat against the roof of the mouth, while simultaneously pressing a finger against the skin between the eyebrows. You should hold pressure against these points for 20 seconds. You'll start to feel movement towards the back of your throat as the buildup softens once you release your tongue and finger. Or, you can alternate between pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth and pressing between your eyebrows. 2. Apply pressure across your eyebrows. Note, but, if your forehead sinuses are blocked, then you should use a different pressure point to clear both the nose and the upper sinuses. The famous massage therapist, Amber Lynn Vital, says that you can stimulate mucus movement by applying pressure across your eyebrows. Here's what you need to do. You should begin by putting your fingers at the starting point of each eyebrow, near the central point between the two. Then lean forward, your head resting on your elbows. When you feel the pressure shift after a few seconds, slide your fingers to the middle of each eyebrow. Make sure you hold it like that until you feel a slight relief once again. And then, you should proceed by moving your fingers to the end of each brow. Now, you can either hold a steady pressure or move your fingertips in tiny circles to promote the flow of mucus away from the forehead. You'll feel the pressure in the center of your head go away once fluid starts flowing. 3. Take a second for a mini massage. As we said, the health benefits of massages are really amazing. This type of massage can stimulate the blood flow all over your body, which means that it will improve the circulation as well as nutrient and oxygen supply to all body tissues. So, if you think about doing this method, then you will realize that a mini massage can also be beneficial when you feel sinus pressure building in your head. The famous massage therapist Heather Wibbles says that a few quick rubs can help you reduce fluid from your head. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to push firmly against the notch of your collarbone repeatedly using your fingertips to get the fluid moving downwards. To be sure that the process is working, you should feel like clearing your throat. Also, when the pressure decreases, your ears may suddenly open up. If you find this uncomfortable, you should different method instead. Here's what you need to do. Cross your hands and make a V shape. Now, you need to use the same pumping motion on the sides of your neck to get the lymph fluid moving. Both this action and the fingertip pulses create suction in the lymphatic system, thus draining the fluid built up in your sinuses downward and away from the head. Keep your sinuses moving. You will notice that after you try these acupressure methods, your sinuses will be unblocked, easily and effectively without any medications. Applying a little pressure on the right points, and even using your tongue can help you drain the fluid that blocks your sinuses and relieve you of the discomforts this condition causes. This means that if you have problems with your sinuses, then you should definitely try one of these simple techniques. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.